Welcome children to the maths class. Yesterday we learned about HCF. Before that we have learned what are factors and what are rules of divisibility. So this is just the recap of what you have learned, like recap of factors of and rules of divisibility. So what are the important terms? The numbers that are multiplied to find a product are called its factors. So this example, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 and 4 are the factors of 20, whereas 20 is the multiple of 4 and 5. 1 is a factor of every number. It is the smallest factor of a number. Every number is a factor of itself. It is also the greatest factor of that number. The factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. Example, factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. Here I have said less than. See, here is 8. So 1 is less than 8. So it is less than or equal to. See, it is 8. Equal to 8. So it is equal to the number. Every number has at least two factors. The number 1 and the number itself. Now let's see the rules of divisibility. The rules of divisibility will help you find which numbers divide others without leaving a remainder. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example, see here, we'll see 32 last digit is 2, then 90 last digit is 0, 116 last is 6. So when all these numbers comes in the last digit, that number is divisible by 2. 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, example 40, 75 and 920. Here is 0, 5 and 0. So if the last digits are 0 and 5, that number is divisible by 5. Next is 10. If the last digit is 0, example 20, 130 and 500. So if there is last number is 0, that number is divisible by 10. Let's move on. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Example, see I have taken an example 84. So I'll add 8 plus 4, this, which gives you 12. Now this 12 comes in 3 ka table. 3 4s are 12. So this 84 is divisible by 3. 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, same like 3. We example 81. We'll add this. 8 plus 1 gives you 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. Yes, so 81 is divisible by 9. Next one. A number is divisible by 4 if the number found by the last two digits is divisible by 4 or ends with 00. Example, see here 216, this last two digit 16. Yes, it comes in 4 table. 4 4s are 16. So same way 216 is divisible by 4. Then 800, last two digits are 00. So again it is divisible. That means that 800 is also divisible by 4. 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that means that number is divisible by 6. That means that number should be divisible by 2 also, and it should be divisible by 3 also. If it is only divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3, it will not be divisible by 6. Again, it is not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3. Then too it is not divisible by 6. It should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then only it will be divisible by 6. Example, say 24. 24 comes in 2 table also. 2 12s are 24. It comes in 3 table also. 3 8s are 24. So it is divisible by 6 also. 6 4s are 24. So children, if you have understood all this, do the assignments for practice. Thank you.